Today we're comparing the three varieties of Gudy DS tape, Gudy DS-10, 11, and 12. These double-sided tapes offer archival properties while providing different levels of adhesion. By adhering them between layers of paper, we'll be able to test each tape's tack using scissors, a knife, and a Teflon folder. We begin by cutting strips of each tape, starting with DS-10, which is repositionable on both sides, becoming permanent in approximately 24 hours. Once placed down, we'll burnish along the backing of the tape using our Teflon folder to ensure good contact. Next, we'll cut the DS-11. This tape is repositionable on one side, the side we'll be placing down, and permanent on the other. This combination is ideal for adjusting the position of a mounted material after it has been adhered to the permanent side of the tape. Here we burnish once again, applying firm, even pressure. Finally, we'll cut and place DS-12, which has permanent adhesive on both sides for an immediate and strong bond. Once the tapes have been thoroughly burnished and the adhesives have bonded to the paper, we carefully peel back the barrier films using our knife to expose the adhesive layers underneath. This process is repeated for DS-11 and DS-12, ensuring each tape is securely applied before moving on. Here you can see each tape looks roughly identical in size and in sheen. Next, we fold the paper over, pressing down firmly to adhere both sides together. We burnish the folded sections thoroughly, reinforcing the bond by applying consistent pressure with the Teflon folder. Each tape's adhesive properties are now fully engaged, allowing us to assess their performance. As we begin to unfold the paper, DS-10 and DS-11 transfer cleanly, showcasing the low tack of the repositionable adhesive, while DS-12's strong permanent bond tears the paper. Likewise, peeling up the DS-11 shows the permanent side holds firm, resisting removal, while the DS-10 removes cleanly and without damage. This demonstration highlights the differences between Gudy DS tapes for various mounting and preservation needs.